down the leg side. A half-hearted appeal there from the bowler. That's the line. That's a beauty. He's cleaned him up.
That is a beauty. Hitting the top of the off stump. That is what the bowlers. Alamin Jr. gone for naught. First ball. Chattogram 1 for 1.
Smashes that. That's gone racing away to the boundary. Oh, wall swing across. Did he get a bit of bat?
This time he's timed it over the top of the mid-off fielder for a boundary.
Now down the leg side. This is the pressure on the bowler.
Pumped down the ground. Down the wicket. Very safe option. Mid-on inside the circle.
Again banged in, but Afif Hussain is equal to the task.
Oh, poor delivery. That's really a poor delivery. Oh my goodness.
No bowler would have expected to pick up a wicket in this sort of delivery. But Usman Khan handed a straightforward catch there at Hamza. Struggling Usman Khan departs for 22, Chattogram 56 for 2.
Over the top.
He bowls a short delivery. Very well played, young man. He deserved this.
And a lovely looking shot. Well, that might be pretty close.
Well, let's see. Oh my goodness.
Yes, and pretty much outside the leg stump, so an easy decision. Oh,
Yes,
walking
boy.
around,
Lovely.
moving around, and a fumble. He's back safe. An opportunity, but not quite there. Safe for the batter. Over. Just to make sure. Here's the sliding bat. He's well in. Not out. It's 113 for 2.
It's the boundary. This is the boundary. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, please. High into the night sky it goes again. Surely no one's underneath that unless it's a member of the crowd. Oh, a massive over.
That's confirmation. Another 6.
This man. No, that's 6 more. You're not going to stop him. What a half century this has been from Rasuli. 32 deliveries. There it is. There it is. The perfect Yorker is bowled. The ultimate inside edge is found. And victory for Chattogram by 8 wickets. It was only apt that it was this man to finish it. Yes, not his finest stroke, but the Chattogram challengers will take it.
Celebration, yes.